What's up, guys? Man, am I ever missing this. This is Kyle with Dirt Bike Channel, and this is me riding the 2025 KTM 300 XCW Factory Edition. This is the bike that we gave away in the month of December. And as I record this, it's January 16th, and I'll probably publish this today. I do not have the finalists yet from the administrators for the sweepstakes, so I can't do the drawing just yet, but I'm hoping they'll have it to me by the end of the day. I've got my fingers crossed, and then if that happened, we could do the drawing potentially like Sunday night. I like to do them on times when people are home, and so maybe Sunday night, which would be the 18th, but I have to have the data from them. Essentially, the way this works is everybody entered into the drawing, and then I give all that data to the sweepstakes administrators. They do the random sampling of all the people, and then they give me the finalists, and then we can do the drawing, the live drawing here on YouTube. So anyway, this is the last time I got to ride the bike. It was late October, and then I tore my ACL on, well, I guess it was like November 1st. And I have literally been recovering from that. And I'm now out of the straight brace because I had to have my ACL and meniscus repaired. And so I was in a straight brace for 6 weeks after surgery. I just got out of the straight brace about 9 10 days ago. And now I'm working on, building up strength in the quads and the hamstrings. And it's just a slow process. And then also continuing to get my full range of motion. It has been frustrating. But guess what? I've got another sweepstakes bike. I bought another KTM 300, and I'm going to do some suspension work on that. This one is the one that we gave away here, or that will be given away as soon as I get the names, is the factory edition. I actually got a good deal on a brand spanking new champion edition. The big difference between the factory and the champion for me is the suspension. So I'm going to have my buddy do some suspension work on that sucker, and we'll give that away in the month of March. I will not ride the bike at all because I'm not cleared to do anything. In fact, the bike is still sitting. I drove to Idaho to get the bike, and the bike is still sitting in the back of my truck because I don't dare take it out. I have a knee brace, but I'm just trying to be as careful as I possibly can. So I may take it down to my buddy Kevin with Moto Experts and have him do the suspension on it, because I'm being so careful. I don't want to tear this knee up. But anyway, I am missing this. And watching this video earlier, just kind of going through the footage, just, you don't know what you have till it's gone. And anyway, it's been a long November and December, and now I'm halfway through January, and it's been a long January, and we haven't even had that much snow. There's still a ton of good riding here in Utah, especially out in the desert, because it's been such a mild winter. We need mega snow, but we haven't had it yet. So anyway, I am missing this, and I hope that some of you guys are getting out there and riding, and I'm excited that somebody's going to have this bike, this factory edition bike, in their garage very soon. As you guys know, I use moto shippers. It's if we need to ship the bike. If I can drive, 6 hours and meet you. So if you're basically within like 12 hours of around Salt Lake City, oftentimes I try to just meet up with people and deliver the bike to them in person. So, but if it's further than that, I use moto shippers, and they get the job done for me fast, and they're just fantastic. It's a fantastic company to do this with. But fall riding is the best, and we're way past fall. Some of you guys in the certain areas of the country, you can ride all year round, and in some areas, winter riding is kind of the best riding that you've got. Here in Utah, we're kind of lucky because we can ride. If you're willing to drive a few hours, you can ride pretty much year round. So yeah, that's kind of what's been on my mind. If any of you guys are interested, I do love to watch Supercross. Me and the boys have been watching Supercross. If anybody is a big fan of that, which I think there are a ton of people, it's pretty cool to see kind of what's happened with Tomac being able to win on the fourth manufacturer. He's won on Honda, he's won on Kawasaki, he's won on Yamaha, and now he's won on KTM because his first ride back, he won on that KTM. So we do want to see what is happening with Chase Sexton and why he did not do well with his first ride on that Cowie. But anyway, I digress. If you guys want to support the channel, the best way that you can do it is to use my links to Rocky Mountain ATV. I'm going to be working on a video here real soon. They put together a new freaking sweet tool pack, like a trail tool pack. And I just got it, and I'm super excited about that because I've had a ton of people ask me, like, hey, what do you do for tools on the trail? And I have videos on what I've shown in my riding pack. I even have a PDF of like kind of what I bring. But when people are trying to assemble a tool pack, like a real tool pack for what they want to take on the trail, it's kind of hard because you're just mixing and matching a lot of stuff. But Rocky Mountain ATV has made a product right now that's either available in like just kind of like a tri-fold, that's what I got, package, or you can get it in a fanny pack, which is super cool. So I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to start filming that here in just a little bit, maybe later today, and maybe publish that sometime over the weekend or early into next week. But it's really fun to see them kind of making some stuff. It's by Tusk. I'll probably throw up an image of it. Either way, I'll have a video of it here really soon. So if you want to use my links to Rocky Mountain ATV, you just go to dirtbikechannel.com, you click Shop Rocky Mountain ATV or Shop RM ATV, and then you just check out as normal. I love that method because it doesn't cost you anything. It's just one extra click for you. It puts a tracker in your browser, and then it credits me for the sale, and I get a little kickback on anything that you buy there. So it's a pretty great way to support the channel. So anyway, stay tuned for more information on this. I will be emailing everybody when I know when the drawing is going to be. I'll probably do a social media post and maybe even send out a text message to everybody. Just let them know, hey, we're going to do the drawing tonight. So that'll be, watch for that. I'm hoping that's Sunday, the 18th. But maybe it slides into next week if they don't get the information back to me by the end of business day today on Friday the 16th. So anyway, really appreciate you guys, and I'll just let you watch the rest of this video here. Pretty chill video riding this bike, and until next time, leave a single track. Thanks.
I prefer it's been okay. Seems like it's better than the 81. I think you can run it two different directions. I can't remember which direction this one's installed because I didn't install it. Didn't want to hit that one.